Hi, in this lesson, we will learn that how we can use LifterLMS My Account blog on our pages. For example, if you want to create a custom dashboard page, or if you want that your student will see their dashboard options on any pages, so you can do that with LifterLMS My Account blog. So what we have to do that we have to select a specific page where we want to show the My Account options. So I'm choosing this page and I will add the my account block here. So first we have to click on this plus icon, then we have to search for the my account block. So here's the my account block, and now I will add it. And when we will add it, we will be able to see all the dashboard options like my courses, my grades, and everything that our dashboard page have. So you can use block on any pages you want. Also on the right side, you can see that my account settings. So when you will add this account block on pages, your student have to first log in to view this option, because if they are logged out, they will not be able to see their dashboard. So first they have to log in to see this dashboard option on the custom page. So that's time you can add a specific login. Here you can add any redirect URL, or you can leave this as it is. So now I will update it. So first my student will try to visit this page, they have to log in if they are logged out. So I'm saving it now. And now if I open my page and refresh it again, here you can see the dashboard option. And if I visit my website, not a specific link, here you can see this option. If I click on here, you can see here is the dashboard page and here is the sales content.